Just let's look at those rules for zeros. Do you remember what they were? Did you take notes from the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so give me the first rule for zeros.
It's any non-zero number is
Okay, rules for sig figs. If it's not 0, it's significant. So, 726, 3 sig figs. Easy. What's the first rule for zeros? Between two non-zeros, it's 0. That is significant, always, 100% of the time. 82307, that is significant. 90507, yes, significant. Okay, so that one's usually fairly easy. That one's straightforward. Let me sort of line these up and.
High school staff, excuse interruption. Can I have Mr. Andre's third period class please report to the cafeteria? And Mrs. Spieth's third period class please report to the cafeteria. Thank you.
Okay, so that's between two non-zeros, it's significant. What's the next rule? You can look at your notes that you took from the video last night.
zeros in front of all non-zeros or
Let's do, I kind of chunked it into all the yes cases and then we do the no cases. Because I think it's easier to remember that way if you remember, okay, yes, no. Rather than yes, no, yes. So what's the next yes rule?
zeros at end of the number right of decimal point.
Okay, zeros, end of a number behind a decimal. So 5.20, yep, significant. 7.334000, yes. End of a number behind the decimal, always. Okay, you want one more of those? What about this? 0.0, well, no, don't do that yet. No. 0.5500, are they? Yes. Okay, good with that rule. What's the next rule for yes?
Zeros before decimal, if it's 300 decimal.
Okay, so if it is 300 with a decimal, I don't remember if that was the next rule listed or not, but we'll go with it because it's a yes. Okay, it is broadcasting. So those are a yes. If it's 70 with a decimal after it, that's a yes. Okay, those are the 3 yes rules. When is it no?
If it's out in front of all the other numbers.
If it's out in front of a bunch of other non-zeros. So, okay, so if they're out in front of a bunch of numbers, I mean, this is the way to write 525. Nobody would ever do that. Those numbers are not significant. They're just placeholders. So the same thing applies, and this is the way to remember the rule for that, because when you have a situation such as, those aren't significant either, okay? They're still considered placeholder zeros. So even, this is I think the hardest one for people, because they're behind the decimal, they should be significant, but they're just placeholders. So I think that's the toughest of the rules, okay? Scientific notation, notice that one. How many of the numbers that are shown in scientific notation are significant? So if I've got 3.200 times 10 to the 11th, those are significant. I wouldn't have written them if they weren't. So in scientific notation, whatever is shown in that, what I will inappropriately call the front part of it, terrible math language, but whatever's shown, that's significant. The zeros that are symbolized by the 10 to the whatever are not. That help? Okay, so practice. I'm going to float around and check on you.